Welcome to the Academy TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately by default we have not installed the AUD feature on our device, so that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now just to do that we should launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. So let's just get this application. So tap to install, and now just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that just tap here to open the app, and after that just click here draw over apps. Now just near the Muviz Edge, click here once on the switcher and go back to the application. So now just click here to AUD switcher and select one from this available tags. For example, I'll go with this one. Just click here to apply, and now let's just lock the device. And now we can see that we just successfully activated the always on display feature on our TOSCIDO device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.